This is my psychotic kitty on CatNip. So I just introduced my kitty to CatNip for the first time, and as you can see, it's all over the floor. Because what I do is I have a little bag of it. Look at her face. She's like, Daddy, give it now. I have this bag, organic catnip. Introduced to Kitty. Kitty go crazy. Okay, Kitty. Kitty go crazy. Kitty go crazy. And as she is putting it, leave it, babe, leave it, leave it. I'll clean it all up. I just love that she's in love right now. She is a crack whore. She's a crack whore, and this plastic thing is her dealer. Okay, 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 bad kitty. Kitty, look at the mess you made. Are you done? Matilda. Matilda can't. Oh, bathe in the catnip.
Eat it.
Eat it. Rub it. She's like she's swimming in it. She's swimming in a psycho. See, bath salts do that to us. Kitty.
No.
Oh! Okay, Kitty going crazy. I know it's a mess, babe, but don't worry about it. I got it. My cat is a crack whore. Oh, okay. She's in a pile of her own dust. Kitty, can I have this, Kitty? But, as you can see, barely anything left. Matilda. Matilda, what have you done? Matilda.
She doesn't care what you think. Nothing.
This is what happens when I eat cupcakes. I want to bathe in it. Matilda, say goodbye to the camera. There's the bag again. Okay. Can't take a cat away from their catnip.